In this video, I am finally going to show you how to create reels for Instagram that you don't have to show your face in, with the help of today's amazing sponsor, InVideo. More on that later. Here's the deal. I have honestly been hesitant about making this kind of video, even though I get requests for it all the time. People are always in the comments saying, I want to make reels because I know that they're so effective at generating views and new followers, but I'm so scared of showing myself on camera. How can I make reels that I don't have to be in? And I've been hesitant to provide answers to that because I think in most cases, for most of y'all watching, the solution should not be hiding behind types of videos that you don't need to be in, but rather trying to work on your confidence and showing yourself in reels, because I really do think the most effective kind of content is going to be showing up with your face, getting to know your audience, letting your audience get to know you. But I understand that that can be really outside of some folks' comfort zones, and also it doesn't always make sense depending on your brand or business. There are some businesses that it doesn't necessarily make sense to have like a face of the business or a spokesperson. Or if you're a small business owner, you know, if your target demographic is really different from yourself and you might not be relatable to your target demographic, then it might not make sense for you to be the spokesperson. So all of that being said, there are some circumstances in which it makes sense for you to do reels that you're not showing your face in. And so while I think it is very important to always be on a journey of becoming more confident and learning to love yourself, I am going to show you some hacks for making some reels that you don't have to be in, including tutorials on exactly how to edit them. So get ready, because in this video, you are getting 3 reels ideas that you can edit with InVideo, and you don't have to actually film yourself or show your face. So strap in, let's get ready for the tutorial. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here. My name's Katie if you're new here, and I make Instagram tips videos every Tuesday, and I post vlogs and other fun videos every Friday. A huge thank you to this week's sponsor, InVideo. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit super awesome reels using InVideo, which is a very user-friendly video editing platform that you can use completely in your web browser. You don't have to download any software, and it is very, very easy for a beginner to use. So I think it's going to be perfect for a lot of you creating your reels. Plus, InVideo has a ton of really beautifully designed templates, great stock footage, and great music that you can use to produce really professional quality videos without having to compile a lot of this stuff yourself. So with that being said, thank you to InVideo, and let's get into the tutorials. For this first tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an animated listicle reel. So you're going to start by opening up InVideo, and the best thing about this is you can just do it on your web browser. You don't even need to download any software. So just go to invideo.io. Of course, you can use the link in the description. And what you're going to do for this one is select vertical 9:16, because that is the aspect ratio for reels. And let's say for this example, you wanted to make a listicle, like a list of tips and tricks about like mindfulness. So you can search like a video theme here in the search bar. So I'm just going to search mindfulness, and we'll see what templates come up. So you can see we've got a couple options here. I'm going to go with this middle one because I think it looks cute. So we're just going to click on it and then select use this template. So once it loads, you'll see that InVideo has this really straightforward and user-friendly interface for the actual video editing. Along the bottom here, we have our timeline, which has different scenes that you can click on and then edit the different components of. So in this example, I really love this template already, and there's tons of really beautiful templates you can start with. So what I would do is just select the scene, click on the text box, and you can start typing in whatever tips you want to share. And you can go through each scene and change out the text to customize it to whatever tips you want to share with your audience. As you select each scene, you can also go in and change the colors. So I can click on change project colors right here, and you can either switch over to your brand colors, which you can enter ahead of time, or you can choose different custom colors for each color in the project. Once you've changed the text, the colors, whatever other content you want to change in the visuals, you can also change the background music. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see a menu of all different kinds of media that you can add to your project. So I'm going to select music, And the cool thing is you can actually browse by different themes or genres. So I can go to mood here and I can look for something that's relaxing. And I can just click on these 3 dots and I can replace the music in my current project. And then finally, if I wanted to, I could actually add a voiceover as well with me speaking the text that's gonna show up on the screen just by clicking on voiceover and recording it with the microphone on my laptop. So I'll allow the microphone access and then I can just press record and you'll see the recording will begin right now and I can include this voiceover in my reel. And then it adds to my uploads library where I can select it and add it as a voiceover. When you're happy with your project, all you have to do is click download and share, and then you can either airdrop it to your phone or upload it to Google Drive, download it to your phone, and then upload it to Instagram. For this next reel, I'm gonna share a content idea that I think is super effective for anybody. We all know how well screenshots of tweets perform on the Instagram feed. And this reel is basically just taking that format from the Instagram feed and repurposing it for reels. For whatever reason, quick, punchy statements of black text on a white background really seem to generate engagement. So that's the principle that we're gonna use for this, but we're gonna format it into a video. So again, head to InVideo.io, and this time we are gonna start with a blank canvas. So I'm gonna select blank canvas and vertical 9x16. So you'll see by default, we have a text layer and a music layer. And what I'm gonna do is actually start by heading over to the video tab on the left-hand side. Here you can search for all kinds of different stock footage. And I would suggest when you're creating this kind of reel to look for some imagery that is gonna match the mood or the content of the tweet that you're gonna eventually pair with this footage. So I'm gonna search for Greece and you'll see why in a minute. Also, if you want to just use free stock footage, you can uncheck iStock and uncheck premium media so that you only get access to footage that you're allowed to use without paying for. So I think this is really beautiful, so I'm gonna select it and use the full video in my project. Now, obviously the footage that I selected was 16:9 and I want it to be 9:16. So I'm just gonna grab the edges and expand it until it fills the entire project area. And then I'm actually gonna delete this text layer because I don't need it. Next, what I'm gonna do is go over to uploads and actually upload some media. What I've done is I've just created a quick tweet screenshot. So I made this one in Canva because it's fake, but if you just go to Twitter and like screenshot the tweet that you wanna share, it's as simple as that. You can just upload that screenshot and I'm gonna resize it to fit the part of the screen that I want it to fill. And you can just move it around and adjust it and you'll see that guides pop up to show you when you're in the center of the screen, which is super helpful. We'll make sure we're centered both ways. And what you're left with is a tweet graphic that's overlaid in front of some beautiful stock footage. So you can go over to the music tab once again, search for some music that suits the vibe, and then you can just download and share it to Instagram when you're happy with it. Finally, for this last reel tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a tutorial reel. I know, super meta. But I think this one is actually really applicable to a lot of different kinds of business owners because you can use this as a way to show some behind the scenes or to teach some method that you use in your business that might be applicable to your audience. For example, for this one, I'm gonna show you how I would make a reel that is a tutorial on how to use your Instagram analytics. So of course, before we start editing this, you're gonna wanna take a screen recording of whatever you're showing people how to do, or like film clips in real life of whatever your tutorial is gonna be about. Once again, we're gonna head over to InVideo and I'm gonna select a blank canvas and 9:16 once again. Here over in my upload section, I've already uploaded my screen recording, so I'm just gonna select that and use the full video. And I'm gonna delete this text layer because I don't need it. So first of all, if you ever import a longer clip and you can't see your entire timeline, all you have to do is click zoom to fit down here in the bottom right-hand corner, and now I can see everything, which makes it so much easier. Now, because my phone isn't actually a 9:16 like aspect ratio, I'm just gonna have to resize my screen recording a little bit to make it fit, which is not a problem. So I'm just gonna do that, and okay, that looks good to me. Make sure that it's centered. Now that you have your footage lined up or your screen recording in place, all you have to do is click on this voiceover button, and you can record your voiceover while you watch your screen recording or your footage play back. So then you can talk over it and explain what you're doing and give instructions to the viewer. Once again, the voiceover is going to show up in your uploads folder, and then you can just add that in as a voiceover. Last thing, what you're going to want to do if you have a voiceover included, you're going to want to select your music track. And again, you can pop over to the music tab and add in a different kind of music if you don't like the track that has popped up automatically. But for this, I'm just going to show you that when you do select that track, you're going to want to change the audio volume down to maybe about 13 or 10%, just to make sure that everybody who's watching can hear your voice above the background music. And then finally, once again, you can just click download and share and then post it to Instagram Reels. Hopefully you found some of these ideas for Reels helpful. Definitely if you post some, make sure to tag me and tag InVideo in your creations on Instagram so that I can check them out. And of course, go check out the link in the description and sign up for InVideo today. As always, if you want to see some more Instagram tips, make sure you go check out these videos and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, I hope that you are having adventures and following your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.